This video is for people who needs help in replacing motherboard and 55-inch Samsung TV. Let's dive in! If your TV doesn't turn on even after trying different power cycle methods and pressing the power button, don't panic. If the standby light comes on and blinks 10 times, the problem may be with the motherboard. Instead of throwing your TV away or buying a new one, consider replacing the motherboard. It can be a much more affordable solution and may bring your TV back to life. How to replace the motherboard. Unplug the TV and carefully remove the back cover. Carefully disconnect all the cables and remove the faulty motherboard. This is the new motherboard, and the compatibility must be cross-checked by the TV model number. Have a look. Same model number. To gently remove dust and any cockroach droppings from inside the TV. Gently place the new motherboard into its slot or position. Your TV should now be working again, just like new.